Welcome back to our EVS class. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. And children, today we will complete lesson 5, our nation. So, today we will revise the topics we learned in this lesson. After that, we will do textual exercises. So, all of you, please be ready with your textbook and yes, pencil. Okay, children? So, children, in this lesson, we learned many key terms. Did you all write and study all these key terms? Okay, so just revise the topics we learned in this lesson with key terms. Are you ready, children? Okay, at first, we learned about our national flag. Our national flag is called tricolor or yes, Tiranga. What is the spelling of tricolor? Do you know? Did you all read and write and study? Okay, look here. Tricolor. Tricolor. Once again. Tricolor. Tricolor. Then our national flag is called tricolor or yes, Tiranga. What is the spelling of Tiranga? Look here and read with me, children. All of you loudly read and study now. Tiranga. 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 Our national flag is called tricolor or Tiranga. And our national flag consists of 3 colors. Which are these colors? Yes, saffron, white and green. I hope everybody know the spelling of saffron, white and green. So, first color, saffron color represents yes, courage and sacrifice. What is the spelling of courage? Look here, children. Read with me. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. What is the spelling of courage? C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. Then sacrifice. What is the spelling of sacrifice? S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E. Sacrifice. All of you read with me. S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E. Sacrifice. Saffron color represents courage and yes, sacrifice. Then next color, white. White color represents truth and peace. What is the spelling of truth? Yes, look here. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. Then peace. P-E-A-C-E. Peace. All of you please read with me. P-E-A-C-E. Peace. Then last color, green. Green color represents yes, prosperity. What is the spelling of prosperity? Look here and read with me, children. P-R-O-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y. Prosperity. P-R-O-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y. Prosperity. So, our national flag is called tricolor or Tiranga. First color, saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. Then white color represents truth and peace. Green color represents yes, prosperity. Then center of our national flag, what is there? Yes, a wheel in navy blue color. It represents Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Then next national symbol we learned is our national emblem. Which is our national emblem? Yes, lion capital. Lion capital. What is the spelling of lion capital? All of you look here and read with me. L-I-O-N. Lion. Then capital. C-A-P-I-T capital. Our national emblem is called lion capital. Then next national symbol, we learned our national anthem. Which is our national anthem? Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Who written our national anthem? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. What is the spelling of Rabindranath Tagore? Look here, children. Rabindranath. Rabindranath Tagore. Once again, Rabindranath. Rabindranath Tagore. 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 And children, what is written in our national emblem? Yes, Satyameva Jayade. What is the spelling of Satyameva Jayade? Look here and read with me. Satyameva. Satyameva. Once again, Satyameva. Satyameva Jayade. 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 What is written in our national emblem? Satyameva Jayade. Then we learned about our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Then Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. What is the spelling of Royal Bengal tiger? Look here. Royal. Royal Bengal. 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 Tiger. 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 So, our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Then we learned about our national bird. Our national bird is peacock. Then we learned about our national currency. Indian rupee is our national currency. What is the spelling of Indian rupee? Look here. Indian. 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 Rupee. 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 So, Indian rupee is our national currency. Then we learned about our national festivals. There are 3 national festivals in our country. Which are they, children? Yes, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. August 15th we celebrated our Independence Day. Then January 26th we celebrated our Republic Day. And Gandhi Jayanti is October 2nd. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday we celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Children, now we are going to do textual exercises. So all of you please open your textbook page number 86. This page. Term 2B textbook page number 86. Now I am going to read the question. Please listen, children. Which words are written on the national emblem? What is the answer? Yes, Satyameva Jayade. Second question. Name our national game. Which is our national game? Yes, hockey. Then next section, that is quiz. First question. Who has written the national anthem? Answer is yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Look here. Rabindranath Tagore. Then second question. On which date is Independence Day celebrated? August 15th. And children, in 1947, August 15th we got independence. So every year, August 15th we celebrated as Independence Day. So answer is August 15th. Then next session, tick the correct answers. First question. The national dash is the symbol of India's wealth of wildlife. Options. First option flag. Second option flower. Third option animal. The national dash is the symbol of India's wealth of wildlife. So answer is Yes, animal. Then second question. The lotus stands for dash, truth and wealth. Our lotus stands for dash, truth and wealth. Option A, knowledge. Option B, money. Option C, sunlight. Which option is correct, children? Yes, option A, knowledge. Then next page, page number 87. Rohan stands at attention when the flag is hoisted. What do you learn from Rohan? This is value corner, value based question. So every lesson we are learned some values. So in this lesson, which value we learned? Option A, disrespect. Option B, respect. Option C, kindness. Which option is correct? Yes, option B, respect. Next section, fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. First question, the symbol of the national rupee is dash. Options also there, national, lotus and one symbol. So, which one is correct? Look here children, this is the symbol of our national currency. Okay, so which option is correct? Third option is correct. Then children, second question, Republic Day is a dash festival. Republic Day is a, yes, national festival. Then third question, our national flower is dash. Our national flower is lotus. Then next section, answer the following questions. First one, what lies in the center of our national flag? What is the answer? Do you know children? Yes. A wheel in navy blue color lies in the center of our national flag. It symbolizes Ashoka Chakra. Okay. And children, second question, how many colors are there in our national flag? What does each color stands for? How many colors are there in our national flag? Yes, 3 colors. They are saffron, white and green. Saffron color represents, yes, courage and sacrifice. White color represents truth and peace. Then green color represents prosperity. Then next session, test yourself. Tick the correct answers. First question, the Indian rupee is the national currency of dash. Option A, India. Option B, USA. Option C, China. Which option is correct? Yes, option A, India. Second question, who is called the father of the nation? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Indira Gandhi. Which option is correct? Yes, we all know that Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of the nation. So, option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, children, then here some pictures are here. So, you just identify that our national symbols and write the name of each national symbols. Okay, first one, yes, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Then second picture, what it is? It is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Then third option, Royal Bengal tiger. It is our national animal. So all of you please take page number 85. Here 2 multiple choice questions are here. Now I am going to read these questions. The white color in our flag represents dash. Option A, courage. Option B, prosperity. Option C, peace. White color represent, yes, option C, peace. Then second question, dash is our national flower. Option A, lotus. Option B, rose. Option C, sunflower. Yes, which one is correct? Option A, lotus. Lotus is our national flower. So children, all of you today itself complete these textual exercises in page number 86 and 87. You please read and study this lesson and write and study all the key terms. Okay children, thank you.